Hi, guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix ping in Roblox. So let's get started. There are a few steps you can take to reduce your high ping and improve your overall internet connection. So the first thing we're going to do is shut down any background applications that could be consuming the bandwidth of our internet connection. To do this, we're going to press Ctrl, Delete on our keyboard to bring up the task manager. Alternatively, you can come to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key and just searching for Task Manager. Now, in the Task Manager, what you want to do is you want to click on this Network tab to order the list of applications in network priority. So basically, at the top here, that using the most network bandwidth, just right-click on it and select End Task that do all with these that you're not currently using. Once we've done that, we can relaunch the Roblox app to check to see if the ping has been lowered. So another thing we can do to lower the ping of our internet connection is to change some settings on our computer firewall. Sometimes the firewall apps or third-party antivirus programs may block the game platform or limit the online interaction. So just click the Windows Start button and then search for Window Defender Firewall and open it. And in this left-hand side here, we want to select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And in order to make changes, we need to select the Change Settings button up here. And then from this list of options, we want to scroll down and we want to find Roblox. And as you can see, I've got Roblox here. And we just want to make sure that private and public are both checked. And then we can click OK to save our changes. If this doesn't fix the issue, you can also consider disabling Windows Defender altogether, or any other antivirus software you may have installed. Now, another solution to this ping issue is lowering the graphics quality directly in the Roblox client. This may seem a bit strange, but some people were reported this method to work. So what we need to do is we need to relaunch the Roblox app, and then we can just continue into a game. Now, once we're in a game, we can press the Escape key on our keyboard to bring up the Settings menu. Alternatively, you can just come to this left-hand icon here and select Settings. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure graphics mode is set to manual, and you want to just lower the graphics quality to as far as you can go. And then we can just select Resume to save by changes. Now hopefully these steps should have resolved the issue, but if not, we can try flushing the DNS to do this. We need to head over to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key and searching for the word Command. And then in this little black command prompt, we want to type the following commands in order and press Enter after each one. So the first thing you want to type in is ipconfig/flush DNS and hit Enter. And then you want to type in ipconfig/register DNS. And then you can type in ipconfig/release. And then you can type in ipconfig/renew. And lastly, we just need to type in netsrh /winsock/reset. And once we've done that, we can close the command prompt and you'll need to restart your computer once your computer's restarted. We can relaunch the BrainBlocks app to see if the issue is fixed. And then if you've restarted your computer and it's still causing you problems, the last issue is actually changing the DNS servers on our computer, as the error is usually related to network issues. This can increase the speed of your internet in just a few easy steps. You need to head to the Start menu by pressing the Windows key on your computer. And from here, we want to type in Control Panel and then tap the icon. Now we need to select Network and Internet. I'm coming over to Network and Sharing Center in this left-hand column. We want to click Change Adapter Settings, and we just want to locate the internet that we're using. Just right-click and come over to Properties. Now, in this list of options, we want to select Internet Protocol version 4, and then select Properties, and all we need to do here is we need to come down to this bottom section where it says, Use the following DNS server addresses. We want to select this, and we want to type in the numbers 8888. And in the second column, we need to type 8844 and then we can just hit OK to save our changes. Now, once again, you can relaunch the Roblox, and this should have fixed all of your issues.